Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a quick and easy snack, which is roasted camembert with garlic and honey. From the cheese board last week, we saved up one camembert cheese wheel and we are going to use it up today. I'm also going to use one clove of garlic, a sprinkle of paprika, and I'm also going to use some honey and then some butter for my rolls with some mixed herbs, and these are my rolls. I've got my oven on, which is preheating at 160, and we are going to start preparing our camembert for the baking. I've cut a piece of foil and underneath I use spray and cook, and I place my cheese upon it. So now I'm going to cut my cheese. To this I'm going to make a diamond pattern. As you can see, my cheese is cut as diamond shapes. Into the diamond shape, I'm going to put my slices of garlic into it. I am done placing my sliced garlic into my cheese, and now I'm going to sprinkle a little paprika on top and also a drizzle of honey on top. Now I'm going to wrap this up and put it onto my baking tray. To my baking tray, I also sprayed some spray and cook. I'm going to place this onto my baking tray. I will pop this into my oven, which is at 160 degree for 20 to 25 minutes. While my cheese is baking in the oven, I've cut 2 rolls, which I'm going to butter. Here's my buttered rolls, and I'm going to quickly sprinkle some of my mixed herbs on top. With 15 minutes left for my baking, I will add these rolls into my oven to get nice and crispy. 25 minutes has passed and I'm ready to take my cheese out of the oven. As you can see, my rolls has crisped up nicely. Here you go, your lovely baked cheese with some nice rolls. That's also nice and crispy. I've cut away my extra foil so it can be served in the baking tray that we use to bake. And this is how you can partake in eating, by dipping your roll into the hot cheese, and this is how it's applied and eaten. You can also use a roll of brie to make this baked cheese, and you can add nuts, cranberries, and it will come out delicious. Before Pranesh and I tuck in to this lovely looking baked cheese, I would like to thank you all for watching this quick and easy recipe, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Enjoy.